drill, drill, drill. Noun. Definition: a hand tool, power tool, or machine with a rotating cutting tip or reciprocating hammer or chisel, used for making holes. Example: most of the project requires basic woodworking tools, a circular saw, a saber saw, an electric drill, a hammer, and a nail set. Noun. Definition: instruction or training in military exercises. Example: parade ground drill. Noun. Definition: a predatory mollusk that bores into the shells of other mollusks in order to feed on the soft tissue. Example: it must still run a gauntlet of periwinkles, oyster drills, and mud and basket snails, most of which leave egg masses that cover any undeveloped real estate on the shell. Transitive verb. Definition: produce a hole in something by or as if by boring with a drill. Example: drill holes through the tiles for the masonry pins. Transitive verb. Definition: subject someone to military training exercises. Example: a sergeant was drilling new recruits.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.